the levy then. Says that time no, Yampese call IMF. In the air, Sika, na ye the abo man hombra. Now, unfortunately, you estimate a extrapolation, you know. Scan expect to say the big close to fiscal gap. No, you live no, preferring to an army and Yans Agapron. I want to Chemna say, I'm why any good resolution. We are not a Bawumia. No, probably Bawumia was against it as an individual, but only me, my one team.
Do you think Senna he was against it?
Even if he was against it, or call cabinet, no. A cabinet decision. As a member,
Kofi Oben, Dr. Bawumia, not Dr. Bawumia, MPE living.
Dr. Bawumia was in principle against taxation in the digital space because he thinks that it affects financial inclusion. And it's an animal for near, but it's immaterial.
Okay,
it's immaterial because
the second question.
They are binding in
Dr. Bawumia, Oma Manu Kwayama na nye Jumana.
Dr. Bawumia Juma, President Kufuor, Edema no man here, you know. Aban bien one man vice president
including economy.
Yes,
including economy.
Economy and mistakes are here, and say there were two aspects of the economy. Your fiscal policy and your monetary policy. Fiscal policy, revenue and expenditure. Quite fast at all.
Yeah,
and quite fast. Edino, and only a finance minister Juma. And after you see some monetary policy. Exchange rate, reserves, and it's animal. And also the governor of the Bank of Ghana.
But then you could see economic management.
Economic management. Economic management team now was done. It was an advisory role. Sana vice president role. Otufu. It is a Omoko cabinet. And yet it's not about a future inti. So Omoko cabinet. Now say be a 20 member or 21 member cabinet. Omotuaba. Now say do not cast a young levia. Untimi mabo and team I can't make an amendment. So, where I you are not a team player. So, what I say, our monetary policy ideas is just an example. Say, good friend is saying, purchase program. Me sure so the coin. Cabinet accepted it, and our boy am in this for credit year to Deputy Governor Dr. Zaka Kobuch could him dance say boy any other. But good purchase program, no Dr. Bawumia, at the core cabinet, and a cabinet into one can you agenda one the core cabinet into one.
Now, it appears here, dear not Dr. Bawumia say a true dear to na on pair, and no to na Ghana for a canwasem. Indeed, Senna Bawumia say be a 11 no and now say be a bet in this annual because Unya Quenya no the castle about Obechuchem.
Yes,
clearly. Say on peninsula yes. But that was what Ghanaians were talking about.
Yes.
Is it say na samre na Ghana for kase yempewe awuchire we ne hwan no namuntiana
and yes and on say then we shema when this for and mudwa wagalam say home by look at what they are going through state of emergency ebe use AI utima and say the wabonten now we use
experience
yeah me kan say awuchire ba Oman also because of external issues. Any young phones will be a now I say you make sacrifices. It is our time there. Now you have your papa and I know man penny and penny for no more day. Say young teaching profosica cranium pensable economy. And I say instead say Yabako IMF. Now on back at the Munya Kajetia Central Market here. Munya Swami interchange here. Munya project way Munya near there somber to sonny dear. Because those things come with restrictions. They will control you once you enter their
Mama who say who say Ukraine need the COVID-19 the BI it was COVID-19 Ukraine but aban we aba mention any of the communication including the president.
Yes.
Say because of COVID-19
say COVID-19 away.
You understand?
The economy start say in restoration late 2023 2024 in our honorable ever take you over. All the indicators starting looking good. Inflation started by form, exchange rate, and then your reserves, and your money your good cry near from 8 tons of sign. They say about 31 this for by MSC Carabina Abecam. It will share 2024 now. Like I say, all over the world, who goes is here and also air show. So most economies were getting restored or getting to normal levels post COVID in 2024. In the media, 2024 year campaign, as someone can say debt restructuring, say a good purchase program, say you say after COVID, economy no, in your fan, and this is one of the benefit. Because
no some benefit after 2016.
For
indicators,
for instance, so that is it. It's a no Russia Ukraine be OCC and I say COVID be OCC
Russia Ukraine still and to
but disruptions are not at the ban any hobium fertilizers are wheat never fertilizer and any man if you are and quite a parts of the world into now affect you. Those disruptions are not there. They say only drones near the
right. Mami Musa we because I'm raining tea. I can be 3-4 minutes. Mami Musa, Ken of Riata say Ken Japan. Sorry, say. Sa dear Dr. Bawumia ye say ye nyan to abenwie ye na waba be declare or no anko nye just about prayer answer. Clearly it means MP before nye happy say oba ntem meka say magiatum na let's go home.
Nana ye wo elections me no presidential and presiding officer na ye ba. That's the Electoral Commission. Oba constituency based parliamentary election and so constituency be on the returning officer or the election. It is a mimic presidential election. So Oba carry MPP afibia even 2004. Ye coalition. Ama then chairman Jacob Chepelam te ebe kan say ye winning election and an Electoral Commission eba. Over 2016 ye be kan answer an Electoral Commission ebeka. Over 2020 ebeka answer it was just consistency. It is afibia you winning ebeka. I didn't know you lose the ayemeka. It is only fair. Yes, afibia ebeka. You are not corona all these years or systems no my because the presidential election which has one returning officer, the Electoral Commissioner, has nothing to do with the parliamentary election. Obi on a pink sheet, Obi on it there. Okon okan kwe onabo Patrick Boa mam go other places and this for person muya. Ene insawamunu ni ade omu ginae eyusu omu pink sheets ene omu coalition na ya na constituency ejinae a ntime nwi obi ade enti elusu ba bia na elusu dada ade no wawe ya sese hu se ye ntime cross 50% enti age atum ye percent tension ebeba oman no pe akolisa oman no edema Dr. Bawumia se wayade onye titiriti oyo obi a odwen oman no onwen no ho enti sa peace na Dr. Bawumia gi tum eba ye no ene o ye chen MP before ye igo because we 20 times as an ebeba 41.75% and still ubenya. It doesn't make any difference. At the end of the day, our parliamentary candidates had their pink sheets. Your system I built there, the ballot accounting and they check say you winning parliamentary election. It was in place. She had all her pink sheets. Yeah, yes, 90 million and also. I'm my pink sheets copies are no war. When you so find declare no me a quarter for and would have been an MP by now.
Final two questions. Nama, do you think say movia mubetimi aka mo ho abom the way I can ne Bawumia nkrofo mo ye mo ho social media movia mubetimi aka mo ho abom
me gidi se betimi aka bom pa because o share MPP history de bia me recommend Japan example 98 no you one of the leading campaign managers for Akufo-Addo then and so ye to abani we no president Akufo e de ne be ye the press aid no a cabinet position o the man ye were Alanche Martin Tama no MPP de bia no na Akufo-Addo eboso
ba mo ndi di omu atem sa ate se de mo
omu wi ate se no se social media na aba no ntino e ma bibia be da bonten ye chimen sa sem o kan ye banchi ne mudu ntia yes aba this time kan ke refi it is Safodu Janisel bi kodua those days Akufo-Addo kufo ene mo mototo mo hu nyina no the records are not there
policies said the atem ne normal ba mu wi ameka mo
enye se e normal but wuntimi nya na perfect
okay
oya den ye but anytime be an MPP yeah party na very competitive and this will be the first time on benya competitive election because they be a select will be more
okay
yeah where the omodi no so be call yeah it has been a tradition from day one
right
say the bia no yesi akan we the yan say eba kan bo because
Bawumia for ne kemfo betimi aye adwuma
oh why not
sir
we are yenyina aye osonoma we all belong to one party candidate will be win bia no the other parties will have no option than to support because why would you do any philosophy any policies near these are you look when this ye center right party kwa ye faso ya manyo sem na yes an NDC for e faso your mode
right
enti mijiri se nkabom ne de
final word to MPP for more
MPP for wa ha sisi ade ye ton Alhaji Dr. Mamu Bawumia na amamu se nyame ya adoma yesrem 31st December 31st January ye kwa abanomonto mano ya ton ne dada ye nim ne dada. He is the most successful vice president. When he's wedding, kwan obefa so abwa private sector, flat tax rates, also import duties. Say obema hani togo di ayepe. Ankwan kredwuma kwan obefa so abwa no. Private sector ideas wona bebwa ama enyuma abagana.
Right.
Or plan for 4 million jobs. also be use PPPP na afe infrastructure funding a de bia e asema ye ntimi nye no aboa enti wo hwa ye candidates nyina ono kwa na woni suade hunu a ɛwɔ dada anyesa afi na obedwen ho abɛyɛ matraa no makɔ afi he has good plans for party for nankasa ya mfunso pii he was part of it was sharing lessons from Sanfo so ne kwa na efa so solve party for problem na omu issues omu opportunities a one person betime nya 10 na obi anya bi also obe set up welfare desk constituency level regional level national level obe set up a unit at the presidential aid in charge of opportunities for party for ebeba me ko fufusu I'll be part of that system. I be making sure say party for here sem ne nema ehia omu nyina no enkone nam ema obi nya mienu obi nya miensa ona boken asem bia ode example me de no betwa to also ona otimi nya $20 million contract oba e betima chesa $20 million contract na manipa 50 anya bi ba me amodo ode beba no obechiche mu nketen
no bi anya
bi e ma one person nya contract 20
thank you
e ma one person